A new video of my new channel, The Mixed. Today I will show you how to make a clicky slime. Okay, so let's start the video. Let's see the ingredients. 100 ml of hot water, 100 ml of hot water, borax powder, glue, wooden stick, dropper, small spoon. So let's get started. Take the hot water and take a small spoon of borax powder and mix it in it. So after 3 minutes, let's keep it for at least 30 minutes. Take this type of container and fill it with 10 ml of glue. Make sure it is at least 10 ml. Okay, after filling it with 10 ml of glue, and after this glue is spilled into this vessel, I have added 20 ml of cold water, normal water into this vessel. Now spin it with a wooden stick for at least 30 seconds. Now keep it for 30 minutes untouched. So I will meet you after 30 minutes is over. 30 minutes have now passed. Now this is the glue solution and the borax solution. They both are ready. Now take 8 ml of borax liquid solution into a dropper and add it to glue solution. 3 ml, 3 ml and 2 ml. Now mix it with a wooden stick. Now keep it for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this slime has formed and it has changed its color. You won't believe me, but it is real. Let's test it. It is a little bit sticky at first, but you can see the slime has formed. Yes, it's clicky and also like a liquid slime. Let's keep it in another vessel. Wow. You can also make this type of slime and color slime by adding color with the glue solution before adding borax liquid solution to it.